Hi there, students. Exemplary. Exemplary, an adjective. So I hope to make an exemplary video. And I think I probably also ought to look at the noun exemplar because it's linked, and in some cases it's the same, but some cases it goes further in a slightly different direction. Okay, something that is exemplary is really, really good. It's so good that it should be copied by other people. Yeah, his English accent is exemplary, and you should try and copy this. Yeah, his behavior was exemplary, particularly considering how rude everybody else was to him. Yeah, okay, you could have an exemplary punishment, a very severe punishment, intended as a warning. So the court awarded, or the judge gave an exemplary prison sentence for doing this. Yeah, so if you get an exemplary punishment, you get a really hard one to frighten other people. Yeah, to put other people off doing it. Okay, exemplary. But normally exemplary is extremely good. It's the best of its type. It's so good that it should be a model for others. Yeah, he was an exemplary pilot, and I urge everybody else to copy the way he does things. Exemplary behavior. Yeah, is really good. It's the behavior you should copy. Exemplary conduct. Yeah, exemplary life. His life was the sort of life that I would like other people to follow. An exemplary performance, so good that it should be copied. Yeah, exemplary service. Okay, then exemplary damages and exemplary punishment. Yeah, this in law, exemplary, is used to say something that is very harsh, very strong, to serve as a punishment and to deter other people. So you could have exemplary damages. The court awarded exemplary damages. Damages above the amount that was actually lost. Yeah, an exemplary prison sentence. Normally for this sort of sentence, 2 years, but no, 12 years. Yeah, that's exemplary as well. But that's the legal use of it. Normally we use exemplary to say that something is so good that it serves as an example. The way that this company works is exemplary, and it should be copied. It's there for imitation by other people. Yeah. Okay, so exemplary. Now, I promised you a bit about exemplar as well. Okay, so if something's an exemplar, or something is exemplar, it's fit to be imitated, an ideal model, a role model. Yeah, but it could also be something that is typical of a class, typical of a group, something that typifies. So this is a typical exemplar of this type of plant. Yeah, an exemplar, a copy of a book or a piece of writing. That actually comes from the time when they used to copy manuscripts by hand, and the exemplar would be the copy that the writer is copying from, the original one, or the one they've got before. Okay, so exemplar. Okay, exemplary, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. You could just about use it informally. Better in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. Exemplar, I think I would give a 7 in formality. So semi-formal and above. Exemplary origin. Okay, this comes from Latin exemplaris, a copy, a facsimile, from exemplum, an example, a sample. But we've also got exemplum, a story with a moral, a moral at the end of it. Yeah, and I'm very fond of these types of stories. A story with a moral at the end is an exemplum in Latin. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. I hope it's been an exemplary video. Subscribe to my channel and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Exemplary.